So this here is a DIY filament holder box for my 3D printer, and it's to keep the humidity off of the filament, especially in the summertime. It's not summer now, but I wanted to make something just to keep the filament out of the humid air when it does come. And all it is just made out of some 1/2-inch plywood. Got some latches, support structure in there for the filament, so it's going to rest on this tube. It's got a gasket here, just a little piano hinge door and a handle, and then some Lexan in the front here for so you can see what's going on. And then a little hole here for the filament to feed through. And that's about all there is to it. It holds 1 roll of filament. So I'll feed that in. Right like that. And then here's the hole for the filament to feed through. So takes no pressure at all to pull filament. And then just use these case latches, and that's it. It's fairly airtight. I'll throw some silica packs in the bottom to absorb any residual moisture, and it's good to go. So here is the filament, airtight filament box in use. It doesn't bind. I made sure to cut this or drill out this hole so at a multiple angle, and it's not all that big. So it's working perfectly. I've printed out a bunch of parts already. No binding at all. I put it on a stand so I can store stuff underneath it. Still have yet to paint that stand. But yeah, there you go. It's working great.